everyone, welcome back to our English language learning series. In today's lesson, we will be practicing a basic conversation between two individuals. Okay, this dialogue will help you understand and use contraction words in Telugu states conversations. Hope helpful, right? So, the scene is set with two characters, Raju and Lakshmi, meeting and engaging in a friendly conversation. Let's get into the dialogue.
Namaskaram.
Hello. How are you?
I'm good, thank you.
What's your name?
My name is Raju. And you?
I'm Lakshmi. How's your family?
Oh, they are fine. How about yours?
My family is also good. Thank you.
Where are you coming from?
I am coming from Kannur.
Oh, have you seen the Karnool market?
Yes, it's amazing.
What would you like to eat?
I like chapati with curry.
That's good, let's go for chapati together sometime.
Where should one travel in Andhra Pradesh?
There are many places to visit. You should explore places like Araku Valley.
How do you explore all these places?
I have contacts to get information and guidance.
Thank you, Raju.
You are welcome.
And that concludes our friendly conversation between Raju and Lakshmi. I hope you enjoyed practicing basic English dialogues with us, right? So feel free to rewind, repeat, and practice as much as you need. If you have any questions or if there is a specific topic would you like us to cover in the future lessons, please let us know in the comments below. Thank you for joining us and happy learning.